Hey guys, welcome out to another Capturing America's Beauty. I'm Jared Fisher, the director at Escape Adventures. Today, I'm going to take you into a location which is absolutely fantastic. This is the Tetons in Teton National Park and the surrounding Teton National Forest. Now, we operate a mountain bike tour up in this area, and I gotta say, this is some of the most beautiful, high elevation single track that you're ever gonna see up in the northwestern United States. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you are enticed to go out and ride your mountain bike, and we hope to have you out on this tour in the Tetons. Thanks. Well guys, thanks for joining again on another Capturing America's Beauty. And I hope you enjoyed that. And remember always to live your dreams and don't dream your life. We hope to see you out on an escape adventure.